Transferring music from your iPhone to your computer is easy. Whether you want to back up, free up space, or listen on your PC or Mac, this guide shows you how. We'll cover iTunes, third-party apps, and cloud methods to keep your music safe and accessible. Part 1. Transfer music from iPhone to computer with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS Free is a professional yet reliable freeware on the market, which empowers users to copy up to 14 types of files from iPad, iPhone, and iPod devices to desktop computer within few clicks. Step 2. After scanning, click Music to view your song list. Select the songs or folder you want. Step 3. Click Export to save the music to your computer. Part 2. Extract music from iPhone to computer free with iTunes. Step 1. Open iTunes. Connect your iPhone via USB. Click File, Devices, and select Transfer Purchases. Step 2. In iTunes, go to Recently Added, select the music, and click Download. Part 3. Copy music from iPhone to computer via iTunes Backup. Install and launch the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Then connect your iPhone. Click iPhone icon, Summary, This Computer, Backup Now, and wait for the backup to complete. Part 4. Backup iPhone music to computer via cloud service. On iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, Cloud, enable iCloud Drive. In the Files app, copy songs to iCloud Drive. On your computer, log into iCloud.com and download the music. Part 5. Download music to PC from iTunes Store. Open iTunes, click Account, and sign in if needed. Go to Purchased in the iTunes Store, select Songs, or click Download All to transfer them to your computer. Part 6. Sync music from iPhone to Mac via Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac, open Finder, and select your iPhone. Check Sync Music to Device Name and select the items to sync. Click Apply to sync.